Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll see how to transfer and share the files between Windows and Ubuntu. So currently I'm using Windows as a main OS and then I have installed Ubuntu through VirtualBox. So as you can see, I'm already configured Ubuntu here, and before you share the files between Windows and Ubuntu, you have to make some settings in the VirtualBox. So first you can go to settings and go to shared folders, and you can see here I have created a folder called Windows Ubuntu Shared, which is present in my D drive of Windows. And you can just make this checkbox enabled, like at a mount, and then make permanent and click OK. So once it is done, so now we have to change some settings in the Ubuntu. So before that you need to create a Mountable folder in Ubuntu. So what you can do is, like, you can just click on make directory and media. So you see, I've already created this folder called Windows Ubuntu Shared, and then when I click enter, so I'll get error because currently this folder is present in my Ubuntu. So if you just run this command, it will create a similar folder in you. So once it is created, you will get an option for the mountable folder. So as you can see, so I'm getting a mountable folder. And now once you go to Ubuntu again, so you have to install some add-ins from VirtualBox so that you can share the folders between Windows and Ubuntu. So what you can do is, like, you can run this command sudo apt-get install virtualbox-guest-utils. So it will try to install some packages, but since I have already installed, you can see there's nothing installed using this command. But you can run this command and then all the utilities will be installed. So once it is done, you need to run this command sudo mount vboxsf, and this will take argument as the folder name which is given in the VirtualBox manager. So my folder name was, if you go to VirtualBox, if you go to settings, shared folders, and this is my folder name. So this is the first argument, so I cannot copy, so I can just type this one, Windows Ubuntu shared, and the next argument will be the path which is present in the Ubuntu. So for Ubuntu, media slash Windows. So this is my path in Ubuntu. So you can see this, the first folder name is nothing but which you configured in the VirtualBox manager, and second folder is nothing but which you want to mount from the Ubuntu. So now once you enter, so you will see a folder created here, and currently I'm having a folder called test here. So just to make sure, what I'll do is, like, I'll create one folder from Ubuntu, and let's see it's get created, and then we can able to access from the Windows. So now it's created from the Ubuntu, and I'll go and then I'll check it in Windows folder. So yes, you're able to see. So now I'll create it from Windows, and let's see, we're able to access from Ubuntu. So now I created from Windows, and once you go here and you just refresh this folder, and you can see it's created from Windows. So I'll just create folder or file here. So cd media Windows Ubuntu cd from Windows. So what I'll do is, like, I'll create a new file, touch created from ubuntu.txt. So it's created in from Windows folder, and once you go and access this folder, you can see this is created. So this is how you can configure the settings so that you can access and share the files between Windows and Ubuntu. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and like the video. If you have any questions, please put a comments. Thanks guys.